Siege and Storm. The book begins with the arrival of Alina and Mal to a city named Kofton. After a couple of weeks, they were caught. The Darkling showed her the gift she gave on the day she escaped. He could summon Volcaras that does not fear light. After unsuccessfully fighting them, she falls unconscious. After a week, she woke. Alina hears from the Darkling that there's another amplifier from the Morozova's herd. They are meant to use together, so he's hunting for the second one. It is a sea whip. The Darkling threatened Mal that if he does not find the sea whip within a week, he will hurt Alina. He tracked the creature by the end of the week, surprisingly, but the privateer of the ship Sturmhond had turned against the Darkling, and using another ship, he secured the sea whip for himself and rescued Alina. She herself cut the sea whip after being safely rescued. Sturmhond had stolen a book from his cabin and gave it to Alina. Reading that book, she found out there's a third amplifier. Using the scales of the sea whip, a fabricator fastened the second amplifier on her, and her powers were much stronger than before. There was also the concern that the apparat's cult of the Sun Saint is growing. Sturmhond promised he would take Alina to his client, but they were in the fort in Ravka. They kill all of the Volcras and Alina sees illusions of the Darkling. Unfortunately, the ship crashed and they were spotted by the king's army. They bowed down to Sturmhound. Surprisingly, he is Nikolai Lancev, the king's second son. Only trusted members of the crew like Tamar and Tolia knew it. He had to change his appearance so that the Darkling would not identify him and he would not be turned to the king by his crew members. His older brother is the heir to the throne, but he is concerned with drinking and does not care about the people of Ravka. He has brought Alina so the people would be relieved that the Sun Summoner has come back to destroy the forge and he could convince Vasily, the first heir, to give the throne to him. He also wants to unite the first and the second armies by making Alina the queen. Alina agreed to help him become the king but not marry him with the condition that she would lead the second army. She went to Baghdad to ask about the amplifiers and she replied to her coldly. She said that the Grisha who possesses all three amplifiers will have their humanity taken away. She went to David to ask about Ilya Morozova, the founder of the Morozova's amplifiers, and he said he was the one who made them. The black heretic son who destroyed all Morozova's journals. Mal accompanied her for a fair, and there the apparat interrupted them. He wanted to join allies with Alina to help to defeat the Darkling. He also knows where the Morozova's journals are. After a couple of weeks, David had finished making the dishes and it actually worked when Alina tried. It magnified her power. Later, Mal agreed to track the firebird and bring it to her. During Nikolai's birthday, his brother Vasily said that Fyodor had agreed to ally with them to fight against the Darkling. In return, they wanted access to the ports in Westravka and requested their help policing the southern trade routes against Zemeni pirates. They wanted a few of the northern logging roads reopened, and once the Darkling is defeated, they expected the cooperation of the Sun Summoner in their joint efforts to push back the fort. This is actually advantageous for the Darkling. Nikolai is mad and he makes arrangements to evacuate the palace before the Darkling arrives. But it was too late. A massive fight arose and the Grisha were losing. The Darkling promised her that if she surrenders on her account, he would not harm the others. She joined him, and to convince Ma that he has to stay, she embraced the Darkling, and consequently his powers came to her. She was about to kill the Darkling with his powers and herself too, but there was a loud explosion, and she fell unconscious. When she woke up, she knew she was being saved by the apparat. Her powers were too weak, and finally she realized that she has lost her powers. She cannot summon any light.